How does reconnecting with nature transform our living spaces in a fast-paced urban landscape like Singapore? Biophilic design is more than a trend. It's an architectural approach designed to bring elements of the outdoors inside, creating harmony between modern living and nature. One of the core elements of biophilic design? Natural light. Large windows and skylights reduce reliance on artificial lighting, while uplifting our mood. Greenery is another key feature. Indoor plants or vertical gardens don't just beautify, they improve air quality, making our homes healthier. Water elements, like a simple fountain, can create a sense of tranquility, reducing stress with the soothing sounds of nature. Using natural materials such as stone and wood adds an earthy appeal to interiors, giving our homes a warm and grounded ambience. In a city where green space is vital, biophilic design is crucial in turning homes into sanctuaries that counterbalance urban density. Singapore's City in a Garden initiative aligns perfectly with biophilic principles, promoting a greener, healthier, and more sustainable urban lifestyle. The Green Mark scheme incentivizes developers to incorporate green features, from rooftop gardens to eco-friendly materials, into new building projects. Iconic residential projects like the Interlace showcase how integrating nature with architecture redefines urban living. For smaller spaces, vertical gardens or modular planters offer a simple way to bring nature indoors without sacrificing space. Large windows and skylights that allow in more sunlight can boost mood and reduce the need for artificial lighting, essential in biophilic design. Adding water features doesn't have to be extravagant. A small tabletop fountain can transform a room's ambience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more insights on transforming your space. For more tips on sustainable home design, visit Singapore Property Wiki, SG.